What is spline? The spline command in AutoCAD is used to create a smooth curve which passes through a set of predefined points. It creates a non-uniform curve passing through the point. The spline can be created by defined to fit point. SPL enter and choose specific point and draw your spline. In opinion, your opinion, how to draw and enter three times and create spline. Then again SPL enter the SPL and choose specific point and create your spline and enter command C for close and close your spline. Thank you. Visit again and comment your opinion also.